Hi beautiful souls, it's Robin. So I wanted to do a quick video here to talk about the different types of amethyst. So when you think of amethyst, you think of this deep, deep purple, and this is the highest quality of amethyst from Uruguay. Okay, and then this is another, like a lighter version, so that would be more of, it's a still a purple amethyst, but more of a lavender. And then most recently discovered, and first time that we are carrying, is the green amethyst. Look how gorgeous. This is the first time we've had these. So that is our smallest. And then we have a medium size. Look at that. Aren't those stunning? Very, very beautiful, very rare. These are very rare. Okay, so we only have 3 currently. I can get more. I can't guarantee the sizes that we can get. And then this is the last one. This is the bigger one. This is more of a lightish green. Okay. And then we have gorgeous, gorgeous hearts available. These are the hearts from Uruguay. The highest quality that you can find, the deepest purples. And then these gorgeous, look at these pink amethysts that came in. Gorgeous, sugar juicy. Oh, look at this, look at the color. Those are so gorgeous. I could just get lost in this pink amethyst. It's so magical. And here's another one of my favorites. I love this one. Look at the color, you guys. It's like a mix of pink and lavender, and the sugar drusies are so stunning. And then this, we also have very rare stalactite formations. And this is an example of an extremely rare version. See, it's got the flower in the bottom, and then the column of crystals. Look at this. So stunning. And we also got some brand new stalactite slices, and this is one of the largest we've ever had. Look at how gorgeous this is, you guys. And there's a rainbow. See that gorgeous rainbow? And they're polished on both sides.